Dear students, today let me impart the idea of 14th chapter of 6th class called the universe. In our childhood, we might have studied the small lullaby of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Obviously, sky twinkles with many stars, along with the moon seem to be hanging in the space, could say, heavenly bodies. These heavenly bodies or celestial bodies are spread over a vast space which we could say the universe because its vast infinite space having millions of galaxies. Here comes the question that what is a galaxy? A group of millions of stars is called a galaxy. We live in the Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga. Our Milky Way galaxy consists of millions of stars. Also could say there are more than 900 crores of such galaxies in the universe. Students, you know, only stars are self-luminous bodies producing their own light. They consist of hot, burning gases and are quite large. They look small and tiny because they are very far from us. The sun is also a star. It looks bigger and brighter because it is nearer to the earth than the other stars. There are millions of stars in the sky. Some of the stars are found in a group that we could say as the constellation. Constellation is a group of stars that make an imaginary shape in the night sky. They are commonly indicate mixed people, animals, and things. It's an interesting fact to know about our solar system. It consists of the Sun and its family of 8 planets and their satellites. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. Major and minor heavenly bodies called planets, satellites, asteroids, and smaller bodies like meteors and comets revolve around the sun. Let's get a little idea about the sun. The sun is a star. It is the most important part of the solar system. The sun is made up of various compressed hot gases giving out a lot of heat and light. Then what about the planets? The word planet is derived from the Greek word planetai, meaning wanderer. There are 8 planets in our solar system. These planets, in order of their distances from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now let's study each planet in an elaborative manner. First, Mercury. It is nearest to the Sun. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. Second, Venus. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. Its size, mass, and density are similar to the Earth. That's why it is often known as twin of the Earth. It is sometimes called as the morning star or the evening star. Third, Earth. The presence of land, water, and air on the Earth gives it a unique position in the solar system. It looked blue in color due to the abundance of water in all its three forms: liquid, solid, and gas. So, the Earth is also known as the blue planet. Fourth, Mars. It is smaller than the Earth. It has volcanic craters. Its surface is red, and that's why it is known as the red planet. Fifth, Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system. Its surface is made up of many gases like hydrogen, helium, and methane. Sixth, Saturn. It's a unique planet in the solar system having rings around it. These rings consist of small particles of matter densely packed to appear like rings. Seventh, Uranus. It is about 2,870 million kilometers away from the Sun. The atmospheric conditions of this planet are almost same as that of Saturn. There is no possibility of life on it. Finally, we come to know about Neptune. It is slightly smaller than Uranus. Neptune lies at a distance of about 4,469 million kilometers away from the Sun. There are small planet-like bodies which revolve round the Sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. They are called planetoids and asteroids. Now let's learn a little bit about satellites. Satellites are those heavenly bodies which revolve around the planet and follows the planets in their movement round the Sun. The Moon is the satellite of the Earth. Besides natural satellites, there are man-made satellites which are placed in the Earth's orbit by scientists. The television signals we receive are reflected from man-made satellites. INSAT, IRS, EduSat are some of the satellites launched by India. The Earth's satellite is known as the Moon. It is 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth, and its mean diameter is about 3,480 kilometers. The Moon has no heat or light of its own. It reflects the light of the Sun. The moonlight reaches Earth in 1.28 seconds. The Moon revolves around the Earth from west to east and takes 27 days and 8 hours. The American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the surface of the Moon and brought back the Earth some sample of lunar rocks. There is no atmosphere or water on the Moon, and the absence of atmosphere makes the day very hot and the night very cold. It's time to learn a little bit about comets, meteors, and meteorites. First of all, let's learn what are comets. Comets are glowing bodies in the solar system, generally made up of ice and dust. Then what are meteors? Meteors are small celestial bodies which move about in the sky and revolve around the Sun. Occasionally, they enter the Earth's atmosphere with great speed, get heated due to friction, and started burning. Finally, let's study about meteorites. Meteorites are similar to meteors, but they are bigger in size. They do not burn completely, but some parts remain unburned. Dear friends, I hope you got a little bit idea about the universe. If you have further any clarification or doubts, please mention it. Thank you.